Hello again, this is Dr. Lazar Jancic from Leederville Chiropractic Clinic. This month, if you've been following us, we are talking about the body signal, allergies, and how that affects our immunity. So did you know that researchers have found that increased stress levels will make your allergies far worse? Now, we know that allergies have been on the rise in the last kind of 3 or 4 decades, significantly on the rise. And it seems to be the way we are raising our children, the lifestyle habits that we are immersing them in from the get-go. And so this is creating kind of a scrambled, hypersensitive immune system. And when you add stress in the mix, allergies get worse. It's not really surprising, is it? But just remember that stress comes in many different forms. We have the chemical, physical, and emotional stressors. I often talk about it as the 3 T's: traumas, toxins, and thoughts. Now, what you may not realize is that our brain and our body responds to stress in the same way, whether it's emotional stress or postural stress. It's all stress to the body. And if your immune system is already a little bit vulnerable and hypersensitive, more stress makes it worse. So really the key message here is finding ways to reduce your stress levels naturally. Now, some of the most effective ways to do that is with exercise. Meditation is a popular one. And guess what? Research has shown that chiropractic adjustments can lower your stress response, thereby improving your immune system function. It's pretty cool. So I'd love to hear from you out there watching. Do you suffer from allergies? And if so, what are some of the natural ways that you have found to reduce your symptoms and that type of body signal? I'd love to hear from you. Please leave some comments. For me personally, I found drinking lots of water and having a nap or getting that extra hour or 2 of sleep at night makes a huge difference to my symptoms of allergies on the odd occasion that I get them. So please leave some comments and keep an eye out. Next week I'll be sending out a workshop getting into more detail and more depth about allergies and your immune system and asthma. So check it out, keep an eye out. Dr. Lazar Jancic, until next time.